Dear friend, everyone loves eating out, but with the rising prices at restaurants, we have all had to cut back. Wouldn't it be nice to save money by making your favorite restaurant dishes at home instead? Well, now you can with America's Restaurant Recipes. In this 2-volume cookbook, you'll discover the secret recipes for your family's favorite restaurant dishes. As seen on Fox News, Good Morning America, Home Shopping Network, ABC, NBC, People Magazine, and more. New York Times best-selling author Ron Douglas reveals the jealously guarded secret restaurant recipes that have been kept away from the public for years. With these easy-to-follow recipes, you are sure to wow your family and friends with meals that taste just like the Olive Garden, the Cheesecake Factory, Outback Steakhouse, P.F. Chang's, Red Lobster, KFC, and many more. Skip those long lines and enjoy these delicious dishes in your own kitchen. Now, for a limited time only, when you order America's Restaurant Recipes Volume 1, you'll get the Volume 2 cookbook for free. Act now to secure this buy one, get one special offer. Order now and spice up dinner time in your home.
Let's get started. I am a purist when it comes to nutrition. But there are times when we all need to grab a quick bite for one reason or another. I am always looking to find reasonable alternatives when such a situation arises. I try to find options that are nutritious and as unprocessed as possible. Wendy's has been touted for quite a while as the healthy fast food option. Taking a glance at their menu is a pleasant surprise. Wendy's salad options are surprisingly healthy. As with any salad, it is not the vegetables that give rise to fatty, processed ingredients, but how you decide to dress the salad that makes a difference in its nutrient content. When I eat out, I will typically opt for the plain oil and vinegar option as a dressing. I squeeze a little lemon on the salad, add salt and pepper and have a nice, healthy dressing without all of the additives. As far as Wendy's salad dressings go, there are some low-fat, healthier options available. What is nice to see on Wendy's website is the inclusion of a gluten-free menu. For Wendy's to accommodate the growing number of folks who suffer from gluten intolerance or celiac disease is refreshing and a good business decision. Wendy's website offers nutritional information for all of their regular menu options. I am a huge proponent of reading labels to educate myself on what is added to my foods. The good thing about Wendy's is that there are options available where you can get sauces on the side or opt for no sauce at all. For calorie counters, Wendy's offers 3 menu options that contain less than 550 calories. The ultimate chicken grill without the sauce served with a side salad that is topped with fat-free dressing is a decent option for the health-conscious. Also on the 550-calorie menu is a grilled chicken go wrap, sans the sauce and served with a small side order of chili. The final option is a plain baked potato with a small side of chili, which I would probably substitute with a salad. Granted, these are not gourmet items, but when eating in a rush and in a pinch, they will not wreck your diet. The secret recipes for your favorite restaurant dishes have now been revealed in this best-selling new cookbook. Download now in the description below.